Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. I don't know what time it is that you're watching me, so how are you doing? I hope you're all well. As you can see, I am back with another episode. It's going to be short. Anyway, niko kwa shamba. Kama venye mnaona. You can see it's more green now. Let me turn the camera and then I'll show you bits of it. As you can see, we planted trees. Uko ndani. There are some trees and these are potatoes. On that side, these are also potatoes and peas and maize. You see, we use manure. You see, God has been gracious and the rains are there and we are happy about it. Isn't it oat? So venye zimemea. From the other episode I know zilikuwa fupi kabisa, but saizi ziko hivyo. Like that. Zinakaa ka wheat by the way. Yeah. More potatoes and cabbage. Alafu huko mbele ni mahindi. So siendi mbali sana. Hizi ndo spinach. Hizi hata zinaweza kuliwa sasa. Unaona lettuce zishakuwa. Hizi hata hakuna haja ya kuzipanda sijui wapi. They are good. They are good. Oh, I'm just uprooting some fresh lettuce. Unaona kaa hii ina form. Ndio tunaweza ikula. You see. Haija form the cabbage whatever, but I'll just need that. That's not bad. So nitaenda nazo. Cabbage ziko hivyo. Kwa hivyo. Acha nionyeshe uko mbele. Hizi ni spinach. Oh. Zinakaa hivyo. Huku kuna cabbage, but tumepanda mahindi. I don't know if you can see, ndo zina shoot. Yeah, kuna like a concussion of everything. Alafu, I hope this video will see the light of day. Haya, huku nako zinatushana hivyo. Hapo all the way hadi huko mwisho. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Nataka tu niwapeleke muone zile red cabbage mahali tulizipanda. Yeah. As I've shown you, the farm is doing well. We are grateful so sababu ya mvua imekuwa poa. Kunaonyesha usiku, mchana kuna waka jua. So it's not a bad thing. It's a very good thing. So do you remember zile mboga zingine nilikuwa nimewaonyesha zilikuwa kwa nursery? Ndo hizi. These are just the normal cabbage. Ziko hivyo. Like here and here. Ni zenyewe hizo. Then I can just walk carefully. Nisikanyange mazao. These are the red cabbage. Oh my god, they are very beautiful. Hapo ndo zimefika, zimepick vizuri. So zinakaa hivyo. Red cabbage. When you want purple cabbage, red cabbage, please give me a few months and start making your orders. Zinakaa hivyo. That's how they look. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. Check it. They look so nice. This color is beautiful. Yeah. Hazifika all the way mwisho, haziko mingi sana. Zimefika like 3/4 way. Let me show you a little bit more. Ndo hizo. Let's help this one out. Ndo hizo. Hiyo. Sinaona. See how beautiful they look. That's how beautiful they look. We have lots of potatoes. Hizo ni potatoes, huko mwisho mbembe, mahindi, cabbage. Mimi ni mkulima wa mboga. Yes, so that's it. Ndo hiyo. So purple cabbage, no more cabbage. Okay? Yeah. I hope you've enjoyed. That's how short we are going. Until next time, see you. Shoes of the day. Outfit of the day.